Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up an Xbox Live account to play games online and access Xbox services, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete registration. Step 1. Turn on your Xbox console or go to www.xbox.com on your web browser if you want to create an account before setting up your console. Step 2. On your Xbox console, navigate to the sign-in screen. Select Add New, and then choose Get a new email address to create a Microsoft account. Step 3. Alternatively, you can create an account on the web by going to account.microsoft.com and clicking Create Account. Step 4. Choose a new email address that will serve as your Microsoft account and Xbox gamertag. This can be an Outlook.com or Hotmail.com address. Step 5. Create a strong password for your account. Microsoft requires passwords to contain uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Step 6. Provide your personal information, including your first and last name, country, and date of birth. This information is used for account security and age verification. Step 7. Complete the security verification by entering the code sent to your email address or alternate contact method. Step 8. On your Xbox console, sign in with your newly created Microsoft account. Your Xbox Live profile will be automatically created. Choose your gamertag, avatar, and privacy settings to personalize your account. You can now access free features of Xbox Live. To play online multiplayer games and get monthly free games, you will need to subscribe to Xbox Game Pass Core or Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.